So hi guys, welcome back again in our YouTube channel Crypto Financial Freedom. And friend, today I would like to tell you regarding the update of Hex price, what's going on actually, because in this last 12 hours it is declined to almost 10 to 12%. That is a major decline, friend, because I think a lot of whales and stakers has unstaked the share just for the price and backup to cash back their backfill. Okay, so you can see the price in the 24 hours, friends. I would like to draw your attention here. Sorry, oh god, what the hell, yeah. Just a minute, friend. It's something problem going on here. So if we talk here, the price of Hex is 0.37, but right now it was before 1.5 hours back 0.36 cent. So it's major dump, fan. It was the greatest opportunity to buy the dip actually, and the high was 24 hours 42 cent. Okay, so that's much more. Don't miss this biggie because it would go parabolic very soon. If we go through the chart, you can see here, friend, this is the highest and this was the lowest. So this was a very good chance to buy in the bottom. But if we compare to previous 1 month chart, you can go through here. This is the bottom and the good support here. 0.35 is very good support here, so the price cannot be go less than that, and also 0.37 is also a major support here. Okay, 0.365 is much more major support, so that's why the price would not go below than this, friend. As you can see, this is the bottom price, friend. This is the bottom, and this is the next and lowest bottom, and according to me here is a big support. So this is the bottom, friend, which is almost 0.365, and now the price is at the bottom 0.367, so almost it is going to be bottom. So fill your bags, this is the good time, because if you really wish to get free P Hex as an airdrop, you must need to hold or stake Hex in your Ethereum wallet, ERC20 wallet. Okay, friend. So all-time high I would like to show you here, 0.5 all-time high is here, 0.51 dollar, and it was all-time low before 2 years back. The people were much more lucky here. It's 4 times 0.56, friend. So almost it did 1000x, friend, within 2 years. 1000x almost it did. Awesome, amazing, mind-blowing. So what about the Pulse? Pulse can also do better, friend, much more than Hex. Whatever Hex did in the last 2 years, it would do within, I think, 1.5 years, and also less than that if the hype is going very well. So friend, don't miss this biggie, and the price is going slowly, I think, upward. But let's check to another chart. 0.372 prices continue same. So let me check, friend, the graph in trading view. So what happened, and how many people are selling here over here. So this is the chart, friend, Hex BTC chart from Hit BTC, and you can see here major dump because many people sold out. And if we talk regarding 4 days, this is, and I would compare to 1 day. You can see here in 1 day this is the actually downfall. So it's this one, friend, and this was the rally started from here. This was the rally, friend, this one, and this one, So price could hit 0.51 and also much more than that. And here is the major support is here. So I don't think that the price would go less than this price. This is the bottom. Sorry, this price is bottom. This is the major price. Okay, so don't miss this and good luck. If you don't have any gas, you can friend supply some of the your token to claim free pulse chain. Okay, so yesterday in video I told you regarding that how to sacrifice. You can sacrifice even $1, $2, $5, $6 maximum, but don't sacrifice much more because the price is 100x actually, or even maybe 200x from the inception. That's why. But you must keep some for the transaction. Okay, because I think you would be able to swap p hex and hex and also this one pulse chain behalf of Ethereum as well as hex. So you must keep some, and also you need pulse chain token as a gas fees. Okay, so what's next update? One of my friend in the comment box was asking regarding this one. I will show you friend here. He was asking regarding that please tell me something about this one. So instill, if you did not subscribe our YouTube channel, please subscribe, because we are providing regular a lot of informations. And you can check here, some of the friends ask me regarding this one, gas fees. Okay, so friend, let me just answer the question and show you. So this is friend, this is the question. Okay, why is not showing friend? Okay, so it was question was actually friend, how to connect this one quest and synchronize your votes actually. So friend, before synchronizing, you need to connect with your Ethereum wallet, Ethereum network. So you can see here I am connecting with the Ethereum mainnet. I am having 0. This is for the demonstration purpose, but you can claim this amount from any of the supporting blockchain using Zapper.fi. Okay, it is totally free, but these are not free. For this you need to have some fund of your blockchain. So what you need to do friend, you just click over here, synchronize, and the transaction would come over here and you would sign. As you would sign here, insufficient Ethereum would show here. Okay, but let me again check this friend, how much is going on. They are not showing the fee here. This is the major problem, but at least it is the current wallet address. But I think this must be much more, because the less fees is $20 and $50 around. So we'll go to Ether gas station. From where we can check what the gas fees is going on, and you can get a lot of information from there. So friend, this is here, the standard is 7.2 transfer actually, and the fastest fee is going to be $36 it's going to be. And friend, you can check accordingly. If you are from Asia, I would like to advise and tell you that if you are transacting with your Ethereum wallet, the fee can be $10 to $15 to $20 maximum. Minimum $10 I have seen on Saturday and Sunday. So you can wait on Saturday and Sunday. On this upcoming Saturday I would tell you regarding that and would let you show directly because I would also synchronize over this one, and you can see the gas fees over here 106. Okay, 106 showing here, and this is the standard fees they have taken. So I think this would be the actually the gas fees price. Okay friend, so you can check accordingly, but please check. Right now I am having Ether in the different wallet, so I am connecting on that. So friend, now you can see here I have connected to my another wallet from where I am having something fee for gas. So here you can see this is my balance showing, and over here I can transfer some of the actually tokens. This is the gas fees friend. Oh god, the too much yaar. They are charging much more gas fees over here. So I would set a standard friend. You can say fast. How much friend distance? It is much more yaar. I would set a standard. Don't set instant and fast. Just set as a standard, because they are charging 4 times. By default it would be 4x. So use this one, and now let me synchronize friend, because actually it was limited, but I would do for you. So I'm doing this one. Let's sign in. Insufficient fund cover transaction. They are not showing actually the fee. Slippage is 3% here, so set is here 2%, and why fee is showing very less here, even after being some fee in my wallet. So friend, they are charging much more fee here. Just set accordingly and not showing the fee. So I cannot tell you exactly what is going on, but would do something today in my next wallet, because in this wallet I am having much more less points, and in my this I am having enough points. So I will switch to this one and would transfer some gas fees over here, and would let you know how much fee is going to be charged by Ethereum. Okay, so my level is 4th, and today and tomorrow or after some time my level would be 5th. So I can synchronize, and after synchronize I can supply the points to minting this kind of the NFTs, just like this needs 524 supply. Okay, so let's click over the walls. These are very good level of the NFTs friend. You can see this is 524 generation 2, all are from generation 2, requires 1000 volts, required 1000 volt, 1000. Okay, so these all are need 1000, this need 3000. It is much more expensive. Unicorn, okay, this is Uniswap Unicorn 3000, 3000, 3000. So 9000. Oh god, 9000, level 7. Okay, so I can have in my some wallet level 4th, level 5, but not having level 6 and 7. So I need to wait for that. Supply 14,768 friend. It is much more. Level 10. This is most expensive going to be. Okay, so thank you very much. See you in the next video, but don't miss the dip. I hope the price would be definitely some upside. You can see friend, the price is going to up, because this is hex. It would not go much more less than the last buying support. So it is now going to increase slowly. You can again see the trading view chart. Now the buyers are coming because of a lot of dip, a lot of selling. You can see this was the dip and this is the price. So this is the buying has been done from here, and this would definitely go very soon here, and after that the price would again be the same as what all-time high in last time. Okay, and you can see according to my prediction, it is not any financial advice, it can hit easily $1 by the end of the October. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, friend, and don't miss our airdrops. Also, I would like to remind you that one of the app is going to be actually end its mining. That is going to be free of cost over the Android smart mobile. So you can see here, this is, I have told you many times, but many of the people did not take interest. But don't miss, this may be the biggie. Also don't miss this Bybit airdrop, and this is actually fund mining hai. This is, so you can see the link in the description. This is ARC8 games. You can see here, if you would click over here, you can get such kind of the interface. You can directly download it through your mobile, and must need to put this actually code, friend. Okay, so thank you very much. See you, because after 20 October you would not be able to mine in free, and you can start also staking. This price can jump because a lot of hype is going to be. Recently they have partnered with the Polygon and also different kind of the project. Thank you.